Josh here.
And Michelle.
And we are doing a treats unboxing again.
And we're adventures ahead.
And we are adventures ahead. Yeah, we forgot about that part.
I got a knife this time.
Oh, God.
I can't even do it.
Oh!
I was like, do I even need a knife?
Yeah.
So sharp. I haven't skinned any deers with this.
Oh, God!
Ooh, I forgot what even...
Italy!
Country. How old is this box? It's from the beginning of December, and it's like January.
We're just opening
basically.
it. We've had it for a couple weeks.
We went
Italy.
on a cruise. We got...
So we've had it.
I wonder if there's pasta in
Stuff's
here.
melted. Stuff's been old. Stuff's been bad. Right, Michelle?
Yeah.
There's ice cream bars in here. Here. You get this one.
Italy facts.
Okay, let me show them. The Colosseum in Rome, guys.
Ooh.
Sweet.
I don't think we need to read all this.
No, just read a little bit of facts. And then the clue for next month. Well, we'll save that for later.
Yeah. The climate's Mediterranean. The capital's Rome. The national holiday is Liberation Day, April 25th. And Republic Day, which is June 2nd.
Hey, we got some 'Tis the Season Christmas stickers.
Oh, too bad it's already after Christmas when we're opening this. That's nice, though.
So the first thing I see is Zotz Apple. Let me read about it, Michelle.
Okay.
Show them.
They're hard candies. I don't think we want these now.
Candy Fizz String by Zotz. Send your taste buds on a wild ride with Zotz String. A hard candy with a fizz, sour center. It looks and tastes like a regular hard candy, but when you bite into the center, you will discover a surprise in the form of a fizzle. Okay, yeah, we'll wait on those.
We're going to do these last.
So we got Kinder Chocolate. Kinder Chocolate.
Have we had a German box yet?
No, here. Hold that up.
I'll be excited for that.
So Kinder Chocolate is
this kid
individually
really
wrapped individually wrapped chocolate sticks with a creamy milk filling.
Ew, it's got a picture of milk on
Kinder
it.
chocolates are one of the most popular snacks in Italy and from Kinder. If you're feeling adventurous, we recommend trying some of them frozen.
Oh.
So give me my Kinder bar.
We're each going to have one?
No.
Oh.
I think we should split a Kinder bar.
Okay, there's
they're like a Twix?
There's 4 of them in here. That's what I'm saying.
Okay.
And we can freeze 2.
They're like a Twix?
I don't know what they're like. We're each
So they come
one.
like a Kit Kat. They look kind of like a Kit Kat.
Give me a break.
Michelle, show, no, just shove it.
It's melting though.
Okay. Not a fan?
Yeah, it's good. I don't know what this white stuff is.
Milk.
Ew.
Yeah, there's a white. I mean, not bad.
I can't taste the milk though.
But I don't think I'd eat it all the time or anything.
Let's try it frozen. We're feeling adventurous. Aren't we? Overall, pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, gosh.
I know. Next up, Michelle, is chocolate Kono snack. These festive and playful cone-shaped confections are filled with rich chocolate cream for a fun stocking stuffer. Shaped like an ice cream cone, Kono snacks are just as tasty as ice cream, but crunchier. Wow! Michelle, you take a bite.
No, you go ahead.
No, I don't. I mean, no, you take a bite.
Well, how do I do this? Like,
just take the bite at the top. It's fine.
That's pure chocolate.
Yeah, I don't see. I'm not that big of a fan of that.
It's not that good of chocolate, but it's okay.
I don't want it.
It's a weird chocolate. I feel like I might.
God, cigarette laugh. She has a cigarette laugh. Okay.
I'll decide what to do with this later.
Too much for me. Okay, another thing. Man, all chocolate.
This is
from
my
Kinder.
box.
This is from Kinder.
And it's got milk.
Hazelnut.
It's got milk too.
And so, hold that up.
This is the 50th birthday of Kinder.
Kinder Beano. Kinder Beanos are crispy, chocolate-covered wafer bars with rich hazelnut cream filling. They come wrapped in 2 individually sealed plastic sleeves, so you can eat one and save the other for later. That's what we should definitely do.
Eat one, save the other one for later. That's smart, Kinder, but it's a lot of plastic.
Yeah, Kinder's got their stuff together, don't they?
I think they're celebrating their 50th birthday. 50th?
I just want one of the little bars right here. Oh.
Well, you messed it up.
I crushed the son of a gun. It's like a... Show yours. I showed mine. Show it uncrushed.
There's a weird filling.
Hazelnut.
Oh, those are good, though. Reminds me of those little cookies my grandma used to get.
Mmm.
No? I could eat the rest of it, but I won't.
God, Michelle. Jeez, Michelle. Okay, check out this.
This is a very sweet box. Like, it's all sweets. Ooh.
Need a box of apples, Michelle.
Holy cow, this looks so good.
So we got Millefoglie. Millifoglies.
Millefoglie Italia.
Are puffy pastries filled with cream and coated with sugar lining. The most popular pastry brand in Italy. Has a crispy texture with a light, sweet, buttery taste.
You know what I wish Treat Box would do? Because we can't read. Do how to actually say it. You know, like, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like behind the words. Because we can't read good. If you don't know us. To the Derek Zoolander School for Kids Who Can't Read Good.
Carly's over here. Michelle, those rum balls.
He said, no, I was laughing at you because you're like, hi. Oh.
Whoa, these look good, dude. Look how they're made.
Lady fingers.
And Michelle's just trying to eat them all up. Whoa, these look good.
I'll have this.
No, you'll have this one.
I want this one.
Mmm.
Wow.
Mmm. Not only why they're the most popular in Italy.
They're good. This lady is popular in Italy. Oh, she is? Matilda Vicenti.
Dead.
She must have been a popular lady. Wait, what's it say on the side? Imported by Indio-Europe.
Wow. Mmm.
Wow. These were baked in Italy.
Mmm. Dang.
If y'all ever get a chance to try these, try them. Because
they're super good. These will be mine, and Michelle will get all the rest of the nasty stuff that I don't like. Okay, now we gotta try these, Michelle.
Oh, I forgot. I was ready to do your favorite thing.
Zoot apple.
This has a fizzy center. I can't open this.
Mmm.
Is it candy?
No, it's chocolate.
That's good.
Mm-hmm. Mmm.
Really apple-y.
So.
Are we supposed to bite into this, though?
Not yet, no. What's your favorite thing? I'm going to go with mine. Boom.
That's mine, too.
Boom. These are my favorite.
Can I get a second, though?
No. Least favorite? That. Yep.
Me, too. I hated this.
But you wanted to eat the whole thing.
I mean, I could.
Okay.
It's not terrible. This, I would say, like, look at this big chocolate piece, though. Like, we don't really need that much chocolate.
Look at the picture. Looks like Thailand or something.
I want to go there.
Clue for next month. Next month's featured country is considered to be the second largest archipelago in the world and is made up of 7,107 islands. Conquered by Spain in more than 300 years. These things are good.
Yeah. You want me to read the rest?
The country was named after King Philip II of Spain. Another
Philippines.
Yeah, I think so.
Oh! I'm to the 50 part.
It's good.
It's sour.
Okay, guys, so go ahead and get you guys some of these. We recommend these.
Get you guys some of these.
Yeah, dude, these are like freaking bomb.
They'd be good with some coffee or tea.
Don't touch mine.
I can't wait till you go to work tomorrow. Knife fight.
You call that a knife? This is a knife.
Do you see this? I know how to hold it. Tiny jabs.
Okay, guys.
Like, comment, subscribe.
We kind of went off the rails here. Bye. Bye.